Good evening, welcome to Gab's Drams. Something a little bit different tonight. We're going to look at a Dailuaine, 11-year-old, but what's different about it is going to be a bottle end. So I'm just going to pour it. Nice measure. And we're just going to finish this. And that'll give us a nice big dram. So, it's a Dailuaine, 11-year-old, but it's from Finn Thobon Whisky, Private Cask Collection, 11-year-old, hogshead, 56%. Now, I've looked up the malt whisky yearbook and looked at independent bottlers, and I cannot find Finn Thobon in it at all. I picked this up at the festival in Perth. They had a stand, they done a masterclass, and it was very good. But apparently they've been bottling, blending whiskies for 9 generations. And the shape of the bottle has got 9 sides to it, which I think is quite cool. I don't know what happens when it comes 10 generations when they change the bottle, but it's got 10 sides to the bottle. Some of you will have heard of it. I have never heard it before. I picked it up in Perth Whisky auction. 90 bottles, that's what came out the hogshead, and it was £90. I think there's an odd couple of shops still got it. I think the Aberdeen shop still got it. I think if you look for it, you'll find it, but it's not a very common independent bottler by any means. So just let you see it. So that's what's a little bit unusual because it's quite difficult to get. It's a Dailuaine. Got a nice bead in it when I poured it. Legs, very fine, clinging to the glass. No moving at all. It's going to take forever to move. Always think that's a good sign. Always. And then when they start to move, they move quite slowly. So, let's have a nose at it. Bring it up. Lemon. There's a hint of tobacco in that. It's a nice, pleasant nose. Dailuaine's non-peated. It's quite a meaty, thick. In the nose it seems to be thick. It's a lovely, lovely, gentle nose. But there's a... Excuse me, I would say tobacco leaf. Definitely. Lemons. Pears. All that kind of stuff. Lovely, soft nose. Give it a wee sugar, see if that changes the nose any. Up again. A wee bit more livelier. More coming from it. There's a very, very, very hint of spice, just a but no any nose prickle at all. Excuse me, still not getting rid of this chest infection. You think drinking whiskey would cure it, but it doesn't seem to be working. So, you taste. Gorgeous. Absolutely. Oh, it's developing. Now that's unusual. After you taste it, it then starts to kick Often it doesn't kick at the beginning, it kicks at the end. So the palate gets it, you get the flavours, you get the pears, and then all of a sudden you just get just like a wee kick, a wee bimp, and it's all over the palate. It's absolutely gorgeous. I would recommend this if you can get it. You'll pick them up at whisky festivals, and you'll definitely get this in the secondary market. I wouldn't imagine the collectors would be interested in this. You never know. Um, as I say, I looked at the whisky yearbook, looked through all the independent bottlers, and they're not in it, which is quite disappointing. They've been about for a long time. I don't know an awful lot about them. I think the company, it's either Edinburgh, Perth, I'm not sure. It's a nice bottle. Finn Thobon says on it here, born of 9 generations, shaped in Scotland. I'm going to have another wee taste. You can see how quickly I've drunk this. I'll be looking out for more Finn Thobon stuff, I think, just to see what it is. But I mean, it's a Dailuaine, and I like Dailuaine. It's quite a meaty. I don't think this would be for a beginner. I really don't. Maybe. I don't. It's quite complex. What kills the nose a little bit. Let's see what it is. Taste. Mm. Oh, initially I was going to say, right, the water made it thinner on the palate. However, it's still getting that development. It's still getting that. The whole mouth is just coated. The top of my mouth, burning's no the way to describe it. It's warm and it's spicy. Try to figure out the spice. It's no minty or peppermint. It's just a lovely warm coating. Really nice. Definitely lemons. I'm not getting chocolate or anything like that. Or fudge. I'm not getting the sensations. It's all fruit. It's all light fruits, lemons, pears, say sour apples, maybe. It's very fruity. It's very fruity and floral. It's not the chocolate way, but there's a bit of bump. Maybe it's cigar smoke. It's difficult to explain, but it's really nice. So anyway, put this one in night because I've changed my camera settings again. Don't think I'm getting any problems with the computer. My computer was cutting out halfway through a set. It's not doing that now. Thanks to one of my pals, got everything changed for me. That was a laugh, telling me what to do. But anyway, we got there. So thanks for Jamie, driving instructor, who helped me get the computer set up. And I've changed the setup a wee bit. I put the camera off the computer. It's on its tripod with the light. So it's a little bit of different setup. So again, if you notice anything, the mic's now in this side and you can just see it slightly, the way the setup is. But again, tell me, is this setup better than the other setups? Before the camera was always sitting on top of the computer, or is it better angling it so as you're facing in that way, looking at that way a bit? I don't know. It's up to you guys. So thanks for watching Gav's Drams. Finn Thomson Whiskey Dailuaine. Hope some of you have heard of them. If you know, keep your eye open for it. Look in the secondary market. Don't pay over odds for it. This was £90. Definitely worth it. And thank you very much for watching Gav's Drams. Press the bell. Press the subs button. Stay safe, guys. Slange. That's an absolute belter. Belter.